right, welcome. Jim SteamClown here. So this is how you turn in a design onto your GitHub that you're pulling off of your Circuit Playground. All right. So after you've signed into your GitHub account, you're going to plug in your Circuit Playground, and that's going to wake up, right? And it should end up opening up a tab for a directory tab for that, and you should be able to see your code, right? So your code.py is there. So navigate that and just make sure you're connected, right? So we're going to open this up, and it's going to connect to Thonny. So we're going to open this up, and we can see that we've connected to Adafruit, right? The Adafruit Circuit Python 8.2.9, whatever version you happen to be doing at the time. And so we can see they're connected. And if we click on run up here in the left-hand corner, got your little run, we run, and it prints my hello world. Hello, all my Python and Circuit Playground nerds. And so now we have a design, and we want to save that into our GitHub so we can take our GitHub link and turn that in, right? So here we go. We're going to come on over here. We're going to open up our GitHub. So wherever your account is, you're going to navigate to your repositories. In a previous lab, we went and created our Circuit Playground. I called it Circuit Playground -CPX CPB, and we're going to open this up. And we're going to add this file, right? So the file that we're going to add is the one we have in Thonny, right? This print hello world, right? I could just type that in, but I'm going to copy it, right? So I'm going to come over here to, let's say, add file, create new file. So now I've got a new file here. I'm going to call it CPX-CPB hello. hello.py. And so now I'm in this file entry area. That's what I'm going to go grab, the design that's on this Circuit Playground. So I'm going to go back to my Thonny, and I'm going to copy, paste, and there we go, right? Now I'm going to commit those changes, and I'm going to say, yep, commit, and now I have a design called CPX-CPB-hello.py. So I can go to this file now, and now I can copy the URL. And these are all public, right? I made my account public, so these are actually public. And so you turning your code in to Canvas will allow me as a teacher to click on that link and actually see your code. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back to Canvas, to the Canvas assignment. And if I was viewing this, I could go ahead and turn this in, right? Does it have to be published? Oh, view student. There we go. I'm going to view a student. Come in here. I plugged my playground in. I got my Thonny running. Connected my Raspberry to my Circuit Playground. I opened up my GitHub. I navigated to my repository. I added the file, and I saved it. And now I copied the URL, and I'm going to start the assignment. And it basically says, here's a URL. Paste that thing in. Boom. Submit. And I've turned in the assignment. Yay!